Hi, welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine. Right, so what we've got to do, we've got a couple of jobs. It's lovely and sunny at the moment, but the weather is going to turn windy and wet, so I'm going to get a couple of jobs done. One of them is banking up the potatoes that I've got in the greenhouse that are in the large containers. I'll give you a look. Apologise for the shadows, I'll stand across and see it a bit better. Yeah, so there's still quite a depth there. And obviously you can see now the potatoes have all started to poke through. So I'm going to bank that with more compost on top and let them push through that. I've got two of those. There's another one there. I'll stand across the shadows and makes it a bit clearer. So I'm going to do that. It's another like 5 inches probably. So, and then also I've got an outside job so I can actually get outside. Broad beans are doing really well, but it's going to be windy, so I'm going to have to put the canes in and offer them some support. I've got all the rest of my pots outside at the moment, just enjoying the sunshine, I think. So I'm just going to take that bit of light strulch and go across the top. I could just leave it in and put the new compost and everything, manure on top of it, but I'll probably just reuse it and put it on top once I've filled it up. So I'm going to give them a little bit more potato fertiliser just to help them out, and then I'll put some blended horse manure on first, then the compost. That will do, I think. Give them a bit of a water. I'll put that strutch back on the top. We're getting obviously to the end of March now, so these are going to be going outside in the next couple of weeks once. Well, I'm saying once the frost threat has disappeared. It's hard to say, but hey, you never know. There can always be another frost. So those two are now filled up. Still inside the greenhouse. And like I said, they'll be going outside next couple of weeks once the frost threat has disappeared. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to start caning these broad beans up before the really strong winds come. I'll put 3 either side. These ones away. Keep those. Yeah. 2, 2, 2. That'll do. And get some string. So that can act as the lower layer support. So that'll do for one layer. Keep it taut. And just put it. Oh, there's a ladybird. Go on, get on the broad beans and eat any nasties. And then what I'll do is I'll put diagonals in. Like that, and like that, to support them crossways. And what I'll also do is put a lower level one right across the middle. So keep it taut. Roughly how long am I going to need that? have to. Then this bulb in here, it's got support across three sides. And what I can do is just wrap that around the centre, just to keep the structure. There we go. And while they're still growing, you just move them into position and they'll... Right, I'll bring you back when I've finished that. So that's the structure in. It's enough to keep them going for the next few weeks till they get beyond this level, and then I'll just replicate the same up above. Let's get on with some more jobs. Next up, I'm going to put this pea drain pipe into the ground. Obviously, I've got pea that's already shown and a pea in between that are just growing, so it'll give us some succession on my pea plants. And there's enough pea plants in there to get them in the ground, and they're starting to shoot up, so let's get on with it. So I'm just going to take the struts to one side and take in a little bit. Let's give it a go. Fits about perfectly. Just break the seam on the end. What have I got a drain pipe here for? That's what I'm going to be sowing my peas in. I've done it before and it worked well. It means when you want to put it outside, you just lie it in the bed, tip it up and pull it back, and voila, you've got a nice straight row of peas.